Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to another electric rock song tutorial on acoustic guitar. In this lesson, I will show you how I play We're Not Gonna Take It by Twisted Sister. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we'll start with the intro, which will sound something like this. In order to play that, I'm going to the A string at fret 7 with the E string open, and I'm striking both strings twice. Then I go to fret 6, fret 4, and fret 2. So it's 7, 6, 4, 2. Slide back up. Then we'll go into the song with an E chord. Let's move to the verses of the song. What we'll do is we'll go to an E chord, and that's a traditional E. We'll need a B11 chord, and we'll form that by going to the 2nd fret on the A string, the 1st fret on the D string, and the 2nd fret on the G string, and everything else is open. We're using that chord because it's easy to play. That's a B11 chord. And we'll need an A chord. That's a traditional A holding down the D, G, and B string at fret 2, strumming from the A string. We'll start our verse this way. E, B11, E, A, E, B11, E, B11. Our strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And that's our verses. Now for the chorus, we'll play pretty much the same thing, but we'll play it this way. Starting with E, B11, E, A, E, B11, and then back to the intro part. So let's play that. Next, we'll go to the bridge. And for the bridge, we'll start with the intro part then we'll go to a D chord. E, F, F sharp, B11, now our D chord was a conventional D, just a plain old D chord, and we played the E, conventional E. In order to play our F, we had to bar. I'm barring fret 1, all the strings, holding down the A string at fret 3, the D string at fret 3, and the G string at fret 2. We're going to raise that one more time, or one fret, and then we'll go back to the B11. And we'll play it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beats. Okay? So that was one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, my friends, that's how I play We're Not Gonna Take It on acoustic guitar. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.